In this video we will see how to use bulk action to edit multiple shifts, assign week-offs, delete shifts and copy shifts. For adding shifts, choose the employees and the days by pressing the Control or Command key and clicking on the day cells. You can also select multiple shifts in a row by holding Shift key and clicking at the start day and end day. Now click on the Add Shift button below. Add the shift start time, end time and function accordingly. Now click on Fill Cells button below. Same shift will be applied to every selected day and are reflected on the schedule. In order to assign multiple week-off to employees, select the employees and the shifts by pressing Control or Command key and clicking on the day cells. Now click on the week-off button below. Once confirmed, click on Mark Off button. The selected days are now marked as week off and are reflected on the schedule. Similarly, you can delete multiple shifts. Select the employees and the shifts and click on the Delete button below. To confirm, click on Delete button. The selected shifts are now deleted and are reflected on the schedule. Now in order to copy a shift to other dates or employees, similarly, select required shifts and click on the Copy button below. To copy the shifts to other dates for the same employee, pick target dates for the shift to be copied and click on Copy button below. You can also copy the shifts to other employees. Follow the same process and click on To Other Employees tab and choose the employee's name from the list. Once done, click on Copy to Target button below. The copied shifts are reflected on the schedule.